The issue in the case at hand is not with regard to merits of the matter. Stop. What drives the petitioner to this court at this juncture is an order passed by the learned sessions judge altering the charge, invoking his power under section 216 of the CRPC on an application being made by the prosecution seeking alteration of the charge and inclusion of offence punishable under the Act. Stop. The application was filed by the prosecution on 25/1/2021 on account of certain statements recorded during the trial before the learned sessions judge. Stop. The petitioner and others filed their objections for alteration of the charge. Stop. The learned sessions judge, by his order dated 31/12/2021, allows the application permitting amendment of the charge for inclusion of section 7 of the Act. Stop. Para. From the aforesaid, it is graphic that the court can change or alter the charge if there is defeat or something is left out. Stop. The test is it must be founded on the material available on record. Stop. It can be on the basis of the complaint or the FIR or accompanying documents or the material brought on record during the course of trial. Stop. It can also be done at any time before pronouncement of judgment. Stop. It is not necessary to advert to each and every circumstance. Stop. Suffice it to say, if the court has not framed a charge despite the material on record, it has the jurisdiction to add a charge. Stop. Similarly, it has the authority to alter the charge. Stop. The principle that has to be kept in mind is that the charge so framed by the magistrate is in accord with the materials produced before him, or if subsequent evidence comes on record. Stop. It is not to be understood that unless evidence has been let in, charges already framed cannot be altered, for that is not the purport of section 216 CRPC. Stop. Para. Section 215 CRPC confers jurisdiction on all courts, including the designated courts, to alter or add to any charge framed earlier at any time before the judgment is pronounced, and subsections in bracket 2 in bracket 5 prescribe the procedure which has to be followed after the addition or alteration. Stop. Needless to say, the courts can exercise the power of addition or modification of charges under section 216 CRPC only when there exists some material before the court which has some connection or link with the charges sought to be amended, added or modified. Stop. In other words, alteration or addition of a charge may be for an offence made out by the evidence recorded during the course of trial before the court. Stop. Para. Section 7 of the Act, which pertains to sexual assault, is on its appearance in two parts. Stop. The first part of the section deals with acts of touching specific sexual parts of the body with sexual intent. Stop. The second part speaks about any other act done with sexual intent which involves physical contact but without penetration. Stop. Therefore, the second part of section 7 of the Act is prima facie applicable in the case at hand qua the evidence of the victim child. Stop. The child speaks of touching by the accused at inappropriate places of her body. Stop.